Hi, this is Bill from DNProtect. At DNProtect, we are very serious about protecting domains and preserving the integrity of the domain name economy. This includes both preventing and restoring stolen domain names. As stolen domains are an industry-wide problem that has grown with the increased popularity of domain names as valuable investments. No one wants to have their domain name stolen. Because of the value of domain names, domain name theft actually can occur fairly frequently. Moreover, a domain name can be resold to someone else who does not know it is stolen. The DNProtect stolen domain database receives and validates reports of stolen domain names. It then tracks and monitors information associated with the name, such as the whois data. The database also makes it possible for the domain name registrars and the appropriate authorities to receive the information, as well as in order to coordinate themselves and fast track resolution of any theft claims. Reports of stolen domain names are investigated by DNProtect. If certain qualifications are met, a DNProtect alert is issued about the domain name. We believe that tracking stolen domain names and alerting others in a timely fashion that domain name theft has occurred will help discourage this activity overall. In the event that your domain name has been stolen, please use this form on our website on the stolen domains page, and we actually will help you recover your domain name.